The second thing is emphasis, scale, and proximity. So what is that? What is emphasis? So just consider this on the right. Like, stay simple, stay true. This is the emphasis. Like, it's big, it's bold, and it's right on your face. Like, stay simple, stay true. Like, that's it. That is emphasis. You make something big, okay, give it like space, its space of its own, like how, like, all the white space is used to actually, like, just stay simple, stay true. That is the emphasis. And then scale. So scale is something like, which guides your eye, basically. So first of all, you're seeing that stay simple, stay true. Okay, you see this quote, and then you see this. Because why? Because this, like, near the proximity of this. Because so this is like one thing. If I just circle it around, this is one thing, and this is another thing. Because you read these quotes after that, okay? Because this is something you will read first, because it has the emphasis. It's big, it's bold, right? So that's how emphasis and scale works. So, and proximity is something which put together. So basically, so I have this old quote again, okay, and that is like one quote. So I put it all together, like on the left top corner. So I put this, and all these quotes are different, but still are quotes, right? So I put this together on the right bottom. So that is proximity. It's not like you have to put left top and stuff like that, but something which is like, something which has common, like things common, like these things are quotes. So I just put this together, not like one here, and one here. Like, I don't put that. Like, I won't put like that. So just put it together, and it's all pretty again. That is one example. So if you see this poster, okay. So the first thing you see is, okay, the picture of the cake, right? So yeah, because it's big, it has emphasis, it has scale, right? That's what meets your eye first. And then you might read this, stop, stay away from the cake, right?
Yeah.
Because it is smaller than that, and it has less emphasis on it. And then you might read this, or maybe you read this. So procrastinating is something they want to convey, right? So this is how, like, emphasis and scale works. I think you might have got an idea. So let's give one more example. So if you see these two posters, Memento Mori is the title of this poster, right? It is big. It has all the emphasis in this poster, right? And then when you feel like intrigued by this poster, you want to go, like, closer, and you want to read this, and you want to read this, right? So that's how, like, all this emphasis works. Same here, rejection, and then you want to read this, right? So that's how you can use scale, proximity, and emphasis. Again, one more picture with this ball as being the center of the logo of Target, right? You must know Target is an American like marketplace, like supermarket kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a franchise. And this is one of the poster, now open, right? Expect more, pay less. This is what you read afterwards. But you, first of all, you see this, and then this man, this footballer, and then you read this, like, get your kicks at your new Del Sur Target, swing by and get a river, like all that stuff. And then also, again, this is in the bold, and this is regular font typeface, right? So since see you again, see you soon at, so these two will you will read fast, right? And you might read this again because this is in the between, right? So that's how, like, you can use all this stuff again.